Hey, it's James from Finney Electrical. On today's video, we're installing the new Design Evo board by Hager. Look at this. Woohoo! And whilst we're here, then we've got Matt down here doing this kitchen install. So he's getting all the first fixing for a nice kitchen we're doing. And we've got Sam as well. It's a right trio. We've got the three musketeers. Sam's sorting this little EV board, is it? And sorting this shed out. Let's get into this. Right then, so we've got this Design Evo board then, so that's going to go in this cupboard. So the customer wants it from a little understairs cupboard to something a bit more accessible. So essentially that board's going to sit in here then. They want it as front to this side as possible, so I have to put a few noggins in just to kind of hold it in there. And then all the cables will just come rear entry into that board then. So you can see those cables come down here then, so that goes into that board. We've got loads of cables coming down here through to that board, so we'll have to basically tally everything up, decide whether they're going to go in the new location, rip everything out and then wire it into the new board, so it should be an interesting one. There we go, here's the understairs cupboard then. Can we get in? Yeah, I think Brian's little torch thing left on a job. Look at that, little CK torch, nice and bright. So yeah, this is the board that's going to get moved. So they wanted a new RCBO board. This is basically a dual RCD board, so you got your RCD and you got your MCBs, so all these run through one RCD. So yeah, if you got an issue with one, it could trip out 5 circuits or 6 circuits, so they wanted individual trip switches essentially. So what I'll have to do is get the cover off then, and we'll see how we're going to wire things up in the new board and the new positions. Alright, so we've got a mixture of like old and new cabling then. So, nice. We've got some alley tails, haven't seen them in a while. Aluminium tails, we'll have to get them renewed then. So, yeah, it should be an interesting one getting new cables into there. But yeah, what we'll do then is tally these up where they're going to go in the new fuse board position. So we'll decide where it's going to go. Put like a little, so let's say position 1, we're just going to tally it with a Sharpie on 1 on the live conductor. Because it's all twin and earths, essentially. If you label up the line conductor of one circuit, obviously if you disconnect it, you know the neutral and the earth is position 1 on those cables. So right then, let's get all this tallied up and disconnected. There we go, Design Evo. Let's take your sleeve off. Oh, look at this little bad boy. There we go then. Not bad, nice and sleek that, isn't it? I think you can even get lockable. You can pop that out and make a little lock for that to stop people messing about. So I think they do it for like tenanted properties and stuff like that, or the council and stuff like that. So I've seen a few in there. Right, let's get him off. So it's got SPD then, that's built into this. You don't need a MCB for that, so it's not taking up that spare way. So it must have an internal fuse to this. And it's got 13 ways, which is plenty to go off. So for this property, it only needs 10. So we'll have that 20% extra for kind of future proofing. Right then, let's see where this is going to sit then. So he wants it as far this way without clashing when he gets the door on. So I think we marked it up to be around about here. So we can get a fixing on there, fixing on there, fixing on there. And then this section will be a bit wobbly, so we'll have to put some braces in to get an extra fixing for the bottom right. Here we go, so we've got the new order of the cabling going into the new board then. So all these correlate to the tallies on here then. So now we can basically disconnect all this, pull it through the wall, and then get it to the new fuse board location. So when it comes to wiring it up then, let's say circuit 3 then, let's go to 3, so we'll see a cable with 3 on. It's a twin and earth, so we know the neutral and earth for circuit 3 as well. And then what we'll do is just bang it into the RCBO B40, and that's it really. So nice and easy. Alright, let's get disconnecting. Right then, so we've got the board ready to go now. The cables are through, we've finally got those in. They're all straightened out, so what we're going to do is knock these out. Let's try and do, I can't do this one-handed. We'll knock these out then. Get some grommet strip on that then, and then we'll get the cables into the back of the actual board then. Nicey nice. So we've got the board set up. So what we've used is some car door strip. Now I think someone's come up with something called grip it or something, or grip board grip or something. Anyway, they've basically just robbed car door strip, packaged it in like little 1 metre strips, and then sold it off. So it's quite genius really, just pretending it's for fuse boards. But that's what we've done. So that's car door strip. It stays on there. You push it on. It's got like little teeth that kind of grip it. So that's really good. So that's all set up now. That's looking pretty sweet. So they're all ready to go in. We've got his tails, we've got his main earth, we've got his bondings. So we're just going to feed that through there, get him fixed, and then carry on with the install then. RCBO's next. Right, RCBO time now then. So we're going to get an RCBO. There's nice these Hager breakers actually, or Hager RCBOs. You can pop it out. You've got loads of play in there. Click it in, and then that just snaps up at the end then, just to kind of keep it on the DIN rail. If you're swapping out breakers, these are really easy as well. A lot of brands you have to actually mess about taking the full bus bar off, which takes time, doesn't it? Or disruption, you know what I mean, someone working from home or whatever. But with this, once it's on the bus bar, you just put a little driver underneath, give it a pop, and that'll actually just lift out like that. So there's no angle where you have to pull it to there, and most brands it won't pull to there because the bus bar underneath. So yeah, I quite like the Hager design, it's pretty decent. Right, let's get these RCBOs in. There we go, that's the RCBOs in now. We've got all the neutrals nicely kind of running, so that's pretty sweet. So all we're going to do now is just plug in the circuits then. So like I said before then, so we're just going to find circuit 1, which is this big fat 10mm going to the garage. We're going to route them, so all the lines kind of come across and swoop in, all the live and neutrals kind of swoop in like that. The same again for every circuit, so it's got this nice little flow going on. Get these pushed back then, so see all the sleeving needs to go back to the copper. So pull all that back, and then these will just push back into the wall then. So these will come through nice and neat like that, if you can see that on the camera. There we go, and that is the board in. Looking very nice. So they all swoop in, lovely. Got loads of extra length just in case they need to move about. They can, so they're not just kind of strung in, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's looking sweet, that. So yeah, we're just going to sort out the tails now. We're going to do the main connection, and the bondings weren't long enough, so I have to put the bondings to the gas and the main earth coming in. But apart from that, that should be all this side done. Look at that. So the Hager board's pretty decent then. Loads of length in the tails. Sometimes on other brands, we won't say who. But yeah, the tails that come with them are super short. So by the time you start here, swoop around and come up, by the time you get to the end, it's not long enough to come all the way around and up. So yeah, they end up starting here, coming around, and then having to shoot up here, and then it makes all the back here look messy. But all these come out the back, around, up and in, and look really super sexy. There we go, that's all in nice and nice then. So just going to get that labelled up, and that will be the Hager board done. There we go, we didn't film the ending there. I thought I'd get a little clip in Filey. Took my mum away, my brother. Oh, it's freezing. Yeah, that's all we've got time for this week then. So if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification to know when we're next uploaded. As always, have a good from me, and we'll see you on the next one. Woo, it's like 5 degrees in here.